Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on see this is gigabyte.com and this is search box. Just click on it and enter your model number of motherboard Z790S Wi-Fi DDR4. Then enter hit DDR4. Then enter hit enter. Then you can see there are two. So both same. Just click first. Click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 11. Okay, so both if you are using any but installations process same, select any, no. Bluetooth driver, and this is size. Just click on download. Start downloading. Then it is completed. Just single click to open the Bluetooth driver, and this is exe, so you have to double click. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system to installations. So it is close and done.